Okay, so now you're going to learn how to use your mouse. Very important. So there are two types of mice. We have the wired mouse, which is this one with a cable connected to your PC, and the wireless mouse, which uses battery. All right, so your wireless mouse has three parts. The first part that you're going to see is the scroll wheel. Then we have these other two parts, which when you press, they click, click, click. You hear that clicking. That's why when you press a mouse, it is referred to as clicking. Now we have the right mouse button, which is this mouse part, this one, and the left mouse button, which is this one. How do you place your hands on your mouse? You place your hands on your mouse like this, gentle. So these are two fingers are separated by this scroll wheel. Now we're going to see the function of the right mouse button, the left mouse button, and the scroll wheel. But before going to that, first, I would like to show you how to move elements or icons on your on your monitor. This screen is called the monitor, all right? So for you to move any of these to a position where you want, go to it, press the left mouse button, which is this one, press it and hold. Press it and hold, then you drag. Don't remove your hand to wherever you want to keep it, and it'll be there, all right? See, I press and I hold. Now, we are not going to be using press. Like I said, when you press on the mouse, it is called click. And the click comes from the sound which is made with the mouse pad when you press. Yeah, click. Yeah. All right, so we are going to see the function of the right mouse button. Now, when you go to this document and you click your right mouse button, it brings up this function. So you can choose any of the functions. Now, if I want to open, I'll click on the left mouse button. When I click on the left mouse button, it will open those functions, all right? And any function in which I want, if I want to get other options, I'll just click the right mouse button. You open that pop-up. Then I use the left mouse button. I click the left mouse button to activate or accept that function. So the right mouse button is used to call up command. The left mouse button is used to activate or say yes to that command. So that is what you need to know. Then what is the function of the scroll wheel? Now the scroll wheel, as it is called scroll, it is used to move a page up or down, all right? So let's open a document. So to open this document, this is Microsoft Word, you are going to click the left mouse button twice. Clicking the left mouse button twice is called double clicking. So you press it 2 times, tap, tap, wow, it opens. So you have this ruler here that you can move up and down. So for you to move this ruler, you just need to use your scroll wheel. Please show to the scroll wheel. All right, up and down. So you move the page up and down. That's a function of the scroll wheel. So what is a function of double clicking? Double clicking enables you to open any icon that you want directly. So what is simply double clicking? It's simply clicking the left mouse button twice. For example, if I want to open this software, I double click on it. And double clicking on it will allow me open that software directly. So the software is open. We shall use this software in our next lesson. All right. Now, if I'm right clicking to show you is to call up command. So if I right click, it will not open. It will rather bring options for me to choose. And to choose any of these options, I'll left click, which is the professional way. You can still right click after the options are out and it will still give you the same result. But left clicking is the official. Now let us go now to our mouse pad. We have our mouse pad here. All right. You might not have this mouse, but you have the mouse pad. So the mouse pad has the right click, the right mouse pad, the left mouse pad, and then you have here as a scroll wheel. All right. It's very sensitive. So the same, if I should take my pointer to this software and then I right click, that's clicking the right mouse pad, you still have these options coming. Now, one thing about this right mouse pad is that in case you want to activate a command, you don't need to left click, all right? Mind you can still left click if you want to accept it and it will still open. But there's a shortcut. Click on it. When you click on it, you take a pointer to whatsoever you want to take. Maybe you want to copy and paste. You double click on the mouse pad by clicking twice, or when you click twice, it opens, all right? It has copied that document. So if I want to open this document or this app using my mouse pad, I just take the pointer to the app, then I click twice. Clicking twice means touching it twice, and you see that software opening. If I want to close the software, I take my pointer to this X, and then I still click on the mouse pad once at that sensor. So that is how you use your mouse pad.